Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying indoors this lockdown period. So this lockdown period is an amazing chance to take care of your health, to take care of your body, to take care of your skin and to take care of your hair. So I thought I should share you my 5 favorite hair masks that you can try this lockdown period. And all of these hair masks are made with just one ingredient. So let's move on to the video. The first hair mask is the curd mask. I am adding 4 teaspoons of curd for my mid-length hair. This lockdown period, it is very difficult to find or add more ingredients to hair mask. These are one ingredient simple hair masks that can do wonders to your hair. Take use of this quarantine time and do take care of your hair. Apply this hair mask directly onto your scalp. So section your hair, take some on your fingertips and massage it and make sure that you cover the entire scalp and hair with the curd hair mask. Curd is rich in protein which makes the hair strong and healthy. It hydrates your hair, fixes frizziness and also makes sure that your scalp is free from dandruff. Curd conditions your hair, making it shinier and healthier. The second hair mask is the lemon drop. If you have dandruff, then this is a must-try hair pack for you. Take a lemon, slice it into half and rub it on your scalp. If you want to see a detailed video on how to use this lemon drop, I will leave the link in the description box for you to check it out. So this one is my ultimate favorite hair mask. So just rub a piece of lemon onto your scalp. Whenever you feel that you have dandruff or you have white flakes on your scalp, take a lemon, slice it and rub it onto your scalp. So this way it eliminates the dandruff and flakes from the scalp. Lemon also makes sure that the dandruff don't come back again and again. Dandruff is one of the main reasons for hair fall. So if you control dandruff, you can also control the hair fall. So this is one of the wonderful ingredient and hair mask for your hair that you can try this lockdown period. Totally worth it. If you want to know more about how to use this onto your hair, I will leave the link in the description box on the video which I've explained in detail about how to rub this onto your scalp. Do check them out. And also another tip using this lemon is that you can squeeze half a lemon into a mug of water and use it as your last rinse. After taking bath, after taking a shower, you can squeeze half a lemon into your mug of water and use it as a last rinse. Do not rinse after that. Use it as a last rinse. So this way it makes your hair manageable and less frizzy. It also makes sure that your hair is shiny after taking a bath. The most famous hair mask for hair growth is this onion juice hair mask. Take a onion, make sure that the onion is smaller in size because we are in a lockdown, so don't waste any vegetables. So take a small onion, chop it nicely, put it in a mixer, grind it with some water into it and filter it. You will get the onion juice. So the third most popular hair mask is this onion juice. So onion juice helps in hair growth. It is rich in sulfur which helps to minimize the breakage and thinning of hair. It also nourishes the hair follicle, making it thicker and stronger. It also curbs hair fall with a regular usage. Use this regularly once in a week at least and you will definitely find that your hair fall is reducing week by week. So try this onion juice if you are suffering from hair loss problem or hair breakage problem or hair thinning. So all of these hair masks can be applied 20 to 30 minutes prior shower. So you can apply this hair mask 20 minutes before taking a shower and then take a shower. You will get the maximum benefits out of it. The fourth hair pack is with the Fuller's Earth. Take a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of Fuller's Earth powder into it. Add sufficient quantity of water to make it a paste. So on the number 4 we have Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth hair mask. So Fuller's Earth is an ingredient that cleans the scalp from all the impurities that is stuck in the scalp. So this is an excellent cleanser to clean the hair from all the impurities and dust. It is best suited for people who have oily scalp. It removes all the oil and dirt and just after one wash you could feel the difference. It also nourishes the hair and makes sure that the hair is manageable and less frizzy. So Fuller's Earth conditions the hair in a balanced manner, which means that it nourishes the dry scalp and also removes excessive oil from the oily scalp. So this is also one of the best ingredients for your hair. The final hair mask is this egg. Break an egg into a bowl. Mix it well. I like to use the entire egg on my scalp and hair. You can also use the white alone. So whenever I feel lazy to apply an hair mask, I go for this egg hair mask. This is very easy, just one ingredient that you can get from your kitchen. So I use it with the yolk because the yolk is very good in strengthening the hair roots, and the egg white is rich in proteins which gives you that shiny and healthy and thicker hair. So I always prefer egg to use with its yolk rather than using just white. If you are not comfortable in using the egg yolk, you can go for egg white. Egg white is usually rich in protein which makes your hair shinier in regular usage. So on the whole, it reduces dryness and breakage. It also curbs hair fall, and it reduces dandruff and improves hair elasticity. It also repairs the damaged hair. So this is also one of my favorite hair masks to be applied during those lazy days. So how to apply this hair mask is a very tricky question, I guess, because this is always a mess. Take a help from someone in your home, section your hair, apply this on your hair, and wrap it with a shower cap. That will really help, because if you don't cover it with a shower cap, the yolk, the white will always flow towards your neck. That is not a very good thing. So always remember to cover your hair with a hair cap whenever you use this Hair Gassy hair mask. So all of these hair masks can be applied at 20 minutes to 30 minutes prior to your shower. So lockdown period is a good chance to take care of your hair, and I hope these 5 simple ingredients or these 5 simple hair masks will help your hair in getting back to its healthier form. And do try this hair mask at least once in a week. Any of these hair masks, these are very simple ingredients, easy to find, and these are just pure natural hair masks that will do no harm to your hair. So try this out and let me know. So I hope this video would have helped you to take care of your hair this lockdown period. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself and take care of your body, health, mind, hair and skin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.